Welcome back to another episode from the bench, everybody. We are back with another episode. Today we are opening up some upper deck. Get one oversized young gun in this one, and 8 cards per pack, 6 packs per box. So let's see what we can get. Obviously, it's probably not likely, but another one of that guy back there for the New York Rangers, who reported to camp the other day. That would be obviously the one we're looking for. But yeah, we'll just check and we'll go from there. These were actually available at Walmart, so exciting times. If you find anything in retail nowadays, you get excited. So the oversized young gun, we'll start there, is a Philip Karusev. So Philip Karusev. What do I even put him in? That's so big. Anyways, Philip Karusev. Put him over there. And then dump it out. So 6 packs, left and right. We'll start on the left. So getting close to Christmas. Hopefully everybody was a good boy and girl, so you can get some hockey cards or football cards. Once again, we're still waiting for Prism for football here in Canada. Hopefully get it in the next week or so. They don't really know, but Brock Besser, a Alex Tuck, Victor Hedman, portraits, because that's what everybody wants to see nowadays. Andre Vasilevsky, a Travis Konechny. Screw me up a little bit because he was that yellow. The real deal, James Neal. A Jonathan Drouin, which is a terrible trade for Montreal. Chasing that score over there in Montreal. And a Tony DeAngelo, who I thought was going to get paid way more this offseason than he actually did. Why won't you focus? No, nothing. Was it him you're focused on? I don't know anymore. But yeah, first pack done. So we got the portraits of Vasilevsky. Maybe I was spoiled to the hobby box too, where you're getting young guns left, right, and center, but that was nice. Bobby Ryan, a Nathan McKinnon, old Mac, a Mark Edward Vlasic, Mr. Pickles himself, a Patrice Bergeron, a Miles Wood, just on spitting chicklets, got his butt handed to him in golf, a Franz Nielsen, a Philip Grubauer doing the splits, old Gruby, and a Kasperi Kapanen, now over on the Penguins, I believe. As the Leafs try to fix their issues. Because for some reason, nobody told them that spending $40 million on 4 guys is not a good idea. Who would have known? Everybody. Next one is the checklist for Nate and Panarin. A Tyler Myers. Kevin Fiala. Chris Letang. Essa Lindell. TJ Oshie. Him and his dad after they won the Stanley Cup. Brings me to tears every time. One of the sweetest things I've ever seen. Robert Thomas and a Ryan O'Reilly, Mr. Factor himself. So yeah. Let's see what else we can get. We have 3 more packs left. So we have Matthew Tkachuk with the Flames. It's going to take a second to focus, isn't it? Anyways, Nick Foligno. Why are you having such a hard time focusing? Well, girlfriend. Bless you. Oh, we got a green Dazzler there. We're going to put him at the back. Oh, and a Young Gun. There we go. 2 cards we're finally looking for. Anze Kopitar. Brandon Tanev. A Mark Stone. A Jared Spurgeon. And the Young Gun is Janssen Harkins. Really? Okay. There you go. Janssen Harkins. And the green Dazzler is Brady Tkachuk. Man, I hit Brady everywhere. That green Dazzler. So put Brady up there. I guess we'll put Mr. Janssen Harkins, because that's the Young Gun you're looking for. No, it's not. Speaking of spending $40 million on a couple players, Mitch Marner on the back. So we got one Mr. Charlie Coyle, a Connor Murphy, Nick Suzuki, Ivan Provorov. Look at the head of hair on that guy. We got Canvas, the rookie. Nope. Thomas Chabot. I think we already have the Canvas of Thomas Chabot. We have an Alex Daylock. Yamamoto. Gonna pick it up. And a Mitch Marner, as we talked about before. Last one. Here we go. Don't know if we're scheduled to hit any more Young Guns. Not sure how that works. I think I'm going back to hobby, guys. It's hard when you get hobby, you get used to it. So Casey Middlestat. Oh no, Rasmus Ristolainen. A Noel Cherry. Kevin Hayes. Connor McDavid. Gabriel Landeskog. John Morrissey. A Connor Brown. And a Yanni Gord. So I didn't miss any French variants, did I? I don't think so. That's like the only other thing you could really want out of these, right? It's French variants and Young Guns. Didn't get a whole lot of. Got the Janssen Harkins. Wow, having a hard time saying that. And the Brady Tkachuk and the Dazzler. So trying to not go crazy with buying hobby boxes and stuff. Bruins, Sharks. Guess I could just look back. Canadians, Oilers, Tanev, Flyers. Nothing, I don't think French. Canucks, Lightning, Senators, Jets, Oilers, Flyers, Panthers, Sabres, Oilers, Maple Leafs, Wild, Flyers. Nothing. Nope. That Golden Knights one gets me every time because it's so long that I just think that maybe it's the Upper Deck, Maple Leafs, Colorado, Red Wings. Yeah. So overall, pretty disappointing case. But what do you expect? It's it's not a hobby box, nothing crazy. We got a large Philip Khrushchev for the Blackhawks, a Janssen Harkins, a Thomas Chabot in the canvas, and the Andre Vasilevskiy. So, yeah. Next episode I do for hockey depends on what we can get. But maybe I just grab another hobby box and see what we can get out of that. So, but hopefully the next episode, I'm hoping we have Prism for football. But I'll let you know, guys. So, if you haven't yet, like, subscribe, all that other stuff, and hope you guys have a good day, and we'll catch you on the next one. Bye, guys.